Solve the simultaneous equation 2a plus 3b equal to 5 and 2a plus b equal to 1. Hello, welcome to our maths class. In our class today, we are going to solve this maths Olympiad question, which is on simultaneous equation, and we are going to look for the values of a and b. Guess what? We are not going to solve this equation using the elimination method or the substitution method. So stay tuned as we'll be using a very unique method in solving this equation, and that method is the Cramer's rule. But before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember, subscription to this channel is absolutely free, and you'll get our daily Maths Olympiad videos. Once they are uploaded, you'll be updated. Thanks so much. Now let's solve this question. To solve this question, we are going to form the matrix. We are going to form the matrix of this Olympiad question. Since we are given this question, the first thing we'll do is to form the matrix. From the first equation, which is this, we'll have our 2, and then we'll have our 3. From the second equation, which is this part, we'll have our 2, and we'll have our 1b, which is with b. And the values we are looking for is what? A and what? And b. And then the constant values we are given is 5 and 1. So we are asked to look for A and B. In solving this equation using the Cramer's rule, we are going to find the value of DO, D1, and then D what? D2. And in this solution, we'll come to have our A to be equal to D1 divided by DO, and DO, and our B will be equal to D2 divided by what? By DO. Now let's get started. We're going to find firstly the value of our DO, and D represent the determinant of the main matrix, which is this matrix. So this will give us 2, 3, 2, and 1. The determinant of that matrix will give us 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2. So that will give us 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2. And this will give us 2 minus 6, right? And that will be equal to minus 4. 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Fine. Now let's go ahead to look for the next value. We're going to look for D1. Now D1 is going to be the determinant of the constant value which will replace this very column, and the constant value is 5 and 1, and we'll have our 3 and 1. So the determinant of that value is going to give us 5 times 1 minus 3 times 1. So this will give us 5 times 1 minus 3 times 1. This will give us 5 minus 3, and that will be equal to 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Now let's go ahead to look for our D3. In order to look for our D3, we're going to have our D2. We're going to have our D2 to be equal to, this time around, we're going to look for the determinant of 2 and 2, while the constant value will move over to the other column. So this will multiply this, and then the 5 will multiply 2, and this will give us 2 times 1 minus 5 times 2. I hope you are following. So 2 times 1 will give us 2 minus 5 times 2 will give us 10. So 2 minus 10 will give us minus 8. Good. Now let's go ahead to now find the values of let's go ahead to now find the values of A. Our A this time around will now be equal to D1 divided by D0. and our D1, as we've gotten from our solution, is minus 4. Our D1 will now give us minus 4 divided by, sorry, our D1 is 2, and our D1 is 2, and then our D0 is minus 4, right? So that will give us 2 divided by minus 4, and that will be equal to uh, minus 1 over 2. 2 over here 1, and this will give us what? 2. So that will give us minus 1 over 2. And then our B will be equal to D2 divided by D0. Our D2 is equal to minus 8 all over, and our D0 is equal to minus 4. So this will clear this, and then we'll have 8 divided by 2, that will 8 divided by 4, 4 here 1, 4 here 2, and this will give us what? 2. So the value to satisfy that simultaneous equation, the solution A will be equal to minus 1 over 2, and our B will be equal to what? 2. These are the solution to that simultaneous equation that is given to us above. I know you do enjoying this class. I want you to solve this question using the Cramer's rule. I know you can do it. Try it, and whatever solution you get, drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And utmostly, subscribe to this channel so as to get a daily update of our videos once they are published. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.